The Italian National Gendarmerie, the Carabinieri, has begun operating its new AW119Kx helicopter. In 2022, Leonardo signed a contract with the Carabinieri for the supply of 20 AW119Kx single-engine helicopters. Assembly of helicopters takes place at the factory in Verjat, and delivery is planned for the period from 2023 to 2026. The agreement also includes a full package of logistical and technical support and training for pilots and technicians. This supply will allow the Carabinieri to provide greater and better security to citizens through the ability to monitor the area from the air. Helicopters will also be used for environmental protection and rescue operations. The AW119Kx has special characteristics and meets high standards of certification and military qualification, which allows it to perform tasks effectively and safely, even in urban environments. The helicopters are equipped with modern technology, including Garmin G1000N11 digital avionics, electro-optical systems, an evacuation winch, a system for transporting water for firefighting, and a communication system. Main characteristics of the AW119Kx. Cruising speed, 235 km per hour. Maximum flight height, 4,560 meters. Maximum takeoff weight, 3,150 kilograms. Flight range, 955 kilometers. Maximum number of passengers, 7. This model range of helicopters is defined by a spacious cabin and a large luggage compartment.